Did you know that you can get free souvenirs at Legoland? In this video, I'm going to show you all the free souvenirs you can get and tell you how to get them. My kids will also show you some of the free souvenirs they've gotten at Legoland, and I'll tell you about some that we have yet to find. Yes, that's right, it's partly like a scavenger hunt. First up, Pop Badges. It's fairly easy to get free Pop Badges at Legoland, but you might be wondering, what are Pop Badges? Pop Badges are kind of like a button. There are two pieces of plastic that pop together to hook onto clothes or lanyards. They come in many different colors and feature many different pictures, which makes them very collectible. There are also some Pop Badges that are very rare and hard to find. More on that in a minute. All you have to do in order to get free Pop Badges is ask. Literally ask every Legoland employee you see wearing a name badge.
Do you get one? Oh, cool. It's pizza.
But parents, you shouldn't ask. Your kids are supposed to be the ones asking for the Pop Badges, and ideally they ask for them unprompted by their parents. That means, all on their own, they go up to a Legoland employee and ask, "Do you have any Pop Badges?" Currently, there are two rare Pop Badges, Space Baby and Mr. Gold. In order to find these rare Pop Badges, your kids need to ask, "Have you seen Space Baby? And do you have Mr. Gold?" We have been lucky enough to find both Space Baby and Mr. Gold. For more pro tips about Pop Badge collecting and to hear how we found Space Baby and Mr. Gold, check the description box for a link to my video all about Pop Badge tips and tricks at Legoland. Besides Pop Badges, you can also get a free lanyard for your Pop Badge collection. Go to the Legoland Hotel. Every time my kids have asked for Pop Badges at the reception desk at the Legoland Hotel, a hotel employee has given them a lanyard that already has 2 Pop Badges on it. Enough about Pop Badges.
We're just looking for envelopes on the way.
Let's talk about golden envelopes. Legoland employees hide about 10 golden envelopes around the park every morning. If you find one, your kids will be in for a really big treat. These envelopes include things like Pop Badges, minifigures, keychains. You never really know exactly what will be inside, but it will be multiple fun freebies. The envelopes are traditionally gold, but sometimes they're in different colors, such as red, green, or purple. The envelopes will have a large sticker on it that says something like, "Open me." We have yet to find one of these gold envelopes, but we have searched for them so hard. The day my husband found Space Baby, we arrived before the park officially opened just to look for envelopes. They are often hidden by statues and in planters. For example, you might find the Mr. Gold statue holding one, or there could be one sitting on this bench in Lego Movie World. You never really know where they'll be.
Did you find it?
No. It's really like a scavenger hunt, and we plan to hunt for envelopes every time we visit Legoland. Another way to get free souvenirs is by looking for the wheel.
We will keep our eyes peeled for the wheel. There's first aid. Yesterday the wheel came out between first aid and Ninjago, so like over here.
It's not guaranteed that the wheel will come out every day, and when we've asked about it at guest services, they've never been able to give us a specific time or location where the wheel will be. Like the golden envelopes, it could be anywhere. We were lucky enough to find the wheel once in the afternoon between Ninjago and the Big Shop near the first aid building. As soon as we saw it, we got in line. Everyone in line gets to spin the wheel and is guaranteed to win a prize, such as a Lego set, a skip the line pass, a keychain, or a Pop Badge.
Party access pass.
Nice! It's a good one.
Nice.
All right, Molly. Lego gift! Awesome.
Alright, I have a holiday one, I have a Duplo, I have a Ninjago. Which one do you like?
Duplo.
Duplo, there you go, good job.
Thank you.
We spun the wheel and I got this Duplo set.
It's a little oven.
I also spun the wheel. I didn't get anything like that. I was kind of disappointed, but it's like I got this like skip the line pass.
If you were there in the summer or on a really busy day, you may want to use the skip the line pass.
Do you want me to show you the codes I got?
Is this a matching game? I think it's a matching game because you have more than one of each.
Yeah, it's a matching.
It's a matching game. Cool.
Photo.
That's awesome. You got a game.
Now let's talk about the freebies you get that aren't like a scavenger hunt.
This Dream Chase, so called.
Yeah, we got that when we were in the Lego Dreamzzz building area. That was fun.
In the Lego Dreamzzz building, which is a Lego build area across from the 4D movie theater, you can get a Dream Chaser card before you leave that building. For more about the Lego Dreamzzz building, check the description box for a link to a video I made all about Lego Dreamzzz.
What else did you get?
This, driver's license.
In Funtown, after your kids go on the driving school or junior driving school rides, they get a LEGOLAND driver's license. For an extra charge, they can get a more official looking one with their picture on it, but we were happy with the free paper one.
All right, and what else can you get at LEGOLAND for free?
You can also get LEGOLAND magazines.
In the Rebuild the World building next to the Lego Factory tour, your kids can also pick up free copies of Lego Life magazine.
Yeah, these are Lego Life magazines. You can actually send away to get these in the mail as well, but we were able to get 2 different ones while we were at LEGOLAND, and they have fun activities and stories and stuff inside. And then what else did you get for free at LEGOLAND, Walter?
So also, I don't know if this is considered free or not, but you can do minifigure trading.
Finally, let's talk about minifigure trading. Minifigure trading at LEGOLAND is kind of like pin trading at Disneyland. You need to bring a minifigure that you want to trade for another minifigure. While minifigure trading is free, you do have to already have a minifigure to trade. The minifigure has to be an official Lego brand minifigure, and it has to include a head, body, legs, arms, and hands.
It's basically like you bring in like a couple of minifigures. I brought in 5. The minifigures that I got Raphael from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I have the Princess or Queen. I gave one of them to Molly.
You gave her this one.
Yeah,
so you had this one, and she came with the rocking horse, which someone totally got this in a blind bag, and they could have kept the rocking horse, but they didn't. So you were really lucky on that. Here's the rocking horse. It's hard to see on the carpet.
I also got this gingerbread girl.
Yeah.
And I also got this android person, ninja, whatever it is. And also, if you're wondering, like, why the heck do you have a bunch of hair here and, like, head things? Also, so you don't really have to trade in something with hair on it.
It does not have to include hair or a hat or an accessory.
Trade this for someone else who traded this.
It's a fun way for kids to trade a boring minifigure for one they like better or one that includes a cool accessory. For more about minifigure trading, check the description box for a link to my video about minifigure trading tips and tricks.
You got a minifigure for free too, right? Not just the one that Walter gave you.
It's a short story. Daddy was with me. We were walking to the car by the entrance, and a guy was there. We went up to him.
One of the employees? One of the model citizens, I think they're called.
We asked, "Do you have any pop badges?" He said, "No, but I have something for you." And then he put his hand in his pocket, and Daddy was like, "Ooh, let's see what it is." And then he pulled this out of his pocket, and he said, "What about this guy?"
That's so nice. He gave you a minifigure.
Those are all of the freebies we know about at LEGOLAND. Tell me in the comments if there's another freebie I missed or forgot to mention. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about LEGOLAND California and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.